Do you fear making the wrong decision? Would you like to know how to make the right decision? Then this video is the one for you. Hey, hello everyone, Emily Joan Smith here. I am a limitless life coach for 20-something-year-olds and the founder of Live Without Limits Official. If you love anything to do with personal growth and self-development, if you want to better your life, then I highly suggest that you press that subscribe button now before you carry on watching this video. I also suggest strongly that you watch to the end, because the last point is the point that has made sure that I never, ever make a wrong decision in my lifetime since knowing the point that I'm going to share with you. So make sure you watch to the end. Pros and cons. Make a pros and cons list for the decisions that you have to choose between. So if you have a decision A and B, write down the pros and cons. Even better, do write it down, because you can visually see in front of you what those pros and cons are. Know your values. I had a decision a year ago or so to continue being a secondary school teacher, and the way I did it was knowing what my values were. My values were at the time, peace of mind, and asked myself, is this opportunity giving me the things in life that I value? And I weighed them and made the decision from that. So know what you value in life, know your top values, and if you have an important decision to make, weigh it up against your values. What decision will give you more of what you value in life, basically? Time, money, energy, and sanity. When I don't know what decision to make, I usually put time, money, energy, and sanity into the situation. Do I have enough time or money to do this? Or do I need to use more time and money to do this? Do I have enough energy to do this? Is it gonna be harm to my sanity? Because time, money, and energy are great, but if you don't have sanity, I personally don't feel like it's worth it. But that is down to you and your decision to make. So weigh up your options against time, money, energy, and sanity. Maybe the opportunity that you have is gonna give you more time or more money or more energy. Maybe the other option is gonna give you less money, less time, less energy, and less sanity, which isn't good for anybody. So have a think about that. Get a third opinion. Maybe have this discussion with someone whose opinion that you trust. Maybe that's a friend or a spouse. Have that conversation, because you never know what will come up. Maybe they'll see something from a different perspective, or maybe they will say, well, last week you were saying that you needed more money or more time, or last week you said this, and have you thought about this? And I know this is important to you, so what about this? Have a third opinion. Talk about it. Get a life coach. Obviously, I am a life coach, but the reason I am a life coach is because I know how important coaching can be for a person. So if you have a decision that you don't know how to make, a lot of decisions that I've had to make in the past, I've run by my life coach, and I've explored the opportunities, and I've explored my thoughts and processes behind these opportunities. So get a life coach. If you are interested in life coaching, contact me. We can have a free discovery call and get to know each other and see how we can help you move forward with your life. And the most important point of the video, listen carefully. This is the way that I have never made a wrong decision in my life. Once I have decided upon what I'm going to do, once I have decided which avenue or opportunity or thing that I'm going to do or not do, once I have decided that, there is no going back. There is no what ifs. What if I chose something different? Or, being a year on thinking, oh, I wish I did that differently, or I wish I picked that opportunity, or I wish I made a different decision. There is no going back. Once you make your decision, you made that decision because that was the right decision for you at that moment in time. There's no point going back on your word. There's no point thinking what ifs. There's no point wishing, because this is your life right now and you've made that decision, and and it was the right decision at that moment in time. So there's no point going back and thinking, oh, wrong decision, because it wasn't the wrong decision. There's no going back. And that's how you never make a wrong decision. That once you've made that decision, that is what you're sticking with. And that was the right decision at the right time. And that is the right decision. So if you're thinking, oh, what if I did this or what if I did that? There's no point, because you can't go back in time. I'm sorry. And if you can, let me know, because time machines are cool. But as far as I'm aware, you can't go back in time, so there's no point thinking what ifs. And that's how you never make a wrong decision. You don't go back on yourself. You don't criticize yourself. You don't, get annoyed at yourself or tell yourself off for doing one thing. Just don't go back on yourself. And that's how you never make a wrong decision in your life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please let me know by hitting that like button. Leave a comment in the comments, and please subscribe. Share this channel to your friends and your family. Share it to anyone who, wants to better their life or do more or have more or be more. Yeah, I will see you soon with another video. I hope you're well, and thank you for watching. I appreciate you.